Happy Memorial Day, everybody. It's 2013 Rattler here. Alright, so I hope you guys really enjoyed my last video where I reacted to the Lost Child experiment. But this time I'm going to do something a little bit different. I can't keep my voice down low. Alright, so for those of you who have new TVs or probably don't know how to play, for those of you who think that old school gaming does not play on these new Ultra HD TVs, but I'm gonna show you that it does, even for those of you who don't know. So if you do know, then don't watch this. So as you see, I have the Nintendo 64 with my favorite game, Super Mario 64. And I got tape on it because the little thing keeps coming out like crazy. It's already plugged in. So I'm going to show you how to plug the old school gaming. So if you have any older consoles like the original Xbox, or maybe the original PlayStation, PS2, any older gaming console that has these AV composite cables. So with the TV, it came with these thingamajigs, but I know this is like one's like for AV composite, and this one can also be for component cables. I don't know if I can bright. Yeah, I think it looks bright enough. Okay, so I'm not gonna get into the component ones. Throw it to the couch. So I'm gonna get to the composite ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it to the back of the TV. As you'll see, it's already connected to these little things. I don't know if you can see, but it's dark and you can't really see because I have all these cables that are plugged in. I have the Xbox One, I have the Blu-ray, and I have the Nintendo Switches right here. Even though that when I first got my Xbox One, it didn't have one of those cables anymore. It only had HDMI. But even though I had that big TV that I had since 2006, but not to get off track, but so I'm gonna go ahead and now plug in these two. I mean, I really wish you could. I got to see, but since yeah, it's supposed to plug into the back of the TV, kind of like an audio, like an auxiliary cord. Let me show it again. I don't want to fall. Oh my god, I don't want to break the TV. You see that it looks just like a headphone jack, but instead you have to plug it right into this little yellow thingy. Whereas the blue one, I don't know if you can see the blue one. The blue one, it's very dark. I don't want to turn on the light, and I don't want to. But anyways, that's like for the component cable one. Like if you have like the 360 and things like that, like I don't know what I'm saying, but I know older HD TVs had them in the back, but now they're no longer on there. So you would have to play your old school gaming with these things, unless you have another one, something you buy in stores. But it's a good thing that this TV came with it. Maybe I can finally play my older gaming console on a brand new TV. So I'm gonna go ahead now and plug these looking like, I don't know, just these little thingamajiggers. Yeah, and I said thingamajigs. Sorry. As you'll see, they're plugged into the back. Even though that this thing has a green, like if for your component cable, but like I said, I'm not getting into the component stuff. I'm just trying to get into the composite stuff. So now that I have the TV on, see that there's nothing. Hold on, there's nothing on, and the N64 is already plugged in. And let's see if the game really works. So I can. Let's see. I can turn on the. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2. I don't care. Okay, nothing went on. What's going on here? Okay, as you'll know that it wasn't plugged in all the way to the back of the TV, so let's go on ahead and start it up again. Oh, that's memories, baby. um, as you'll see, I didn't plug it all the way to the back of the TV, but as you'll see, the picture quality doesn't look that perfect. But hey, at least you get to finally play your old school gaming on a newer TV. Like, I mean, I know playing it from with the newer ones a lot better. Even though the Xbox One X has 4K, and the Nintendo Switch, the Wii U has hold on for a sec, has 1080p. Hold on, let me sit back. All right, hold on. Presta to play. Okay. See? Favorite game of all time. Wow. Just wow. But anyways, so yeah, this is what I want to show you. Even though for those of you who've never done this before, even though that this is on a brand new TV, and I know the quality doesn't look as perfect, but hey, at least it's filling up the whole screen. But on my phone it looks fine, but on the TV it looks not perfect. But hey, like I said, so this is what I gotta show you guys for right now. Now before I end this video, I gotta let you know that I'm getting a lot of notifications saying that I'm copywriting. I'm not copywriting anything. I'm just trying to do all these reaction videos like as a hobby. I'm not doing this like to steal. So YouTube, can I please not get like any notifications that I'm copywriting? I'm not trying to steal. I'm just trying to do this as a hobby, even though I got no other things to do around now that I'm done with the semester. And then, I mean, I'm still volunteering, but I just don't have I don't have an actual job right now. But like I said, I'm only doing this just like a hobby. So can I please not get whoever's notifying me, like reporting me for copywriting, please stop. Because I am not trying to steal. Like I said, my reaction video from yesterday had that information. I'm pretty sure all my older videos had that too. So once again, stop reporting me. I can't take it anymore. I'm not trying to be somebody else. I'm just trying to do this for fun. So yes, I'm really sorry that I'm trying to be all getting angry with y'all, but I'm not trying to do this to be mean. So anyways, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry that I'm not trying to be so very dramatic. I'll try to do a video, but I am trying to post a little information in the link below saying that the copyright information, all that. I mean, I shouldn't be notified anymore. I thought I had stopped, but I guess somebody reported me. So, and this is what I've got to say for right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Memorial Day. I mean, I hope you guys are in your last week of school. You're already ending most of the days. But I will be back with y'all as soon as I can, but I don't know if I'll be doing it tomorrow because I got so much things to do. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll be with y'all as soon as I can. Don't forget to like this video. Please see my others if you've not. And 2013 Rattler is out of here.